All right, y'all, on that official header breakdown, gonna have to take some panels off and start unbolting the stock headers and get my full M4 system put in. This piece just pops right off, like so. That's it. Try to keep all these bolts and stuff together. Is it not? Oh, I'm retarded. Wow, that's crazy. There it goes. All right, we're back. All right. There it goes, nice and easy. Looks like I'm twisting the wires there, just not. Nice. There we go. And this piece just wasn't on there very tight, apparently. Alright, I guess I could see if taking that off will help me do this real quick. Let's see. If not, I'm just putting it right back on. Alright, that should help a lot. Alright. There it goes. Hell yeah, baby. Alright. It's loose. She's on there, but she's loose. That's what we wanted. So, okay. So, I removed this piece, popped the sensor out of that. There's a bolt, this bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a bolt right up in here that holds this off. I had to remove these two to loosen this up just enough to get my DeWalt up in there. So this is loose. I'm going to look some stuff up for the header just to make sure that I don't break anything, and yeah, hopefully be able to just drop this out, put the new header piece on, mount up the rest of it, and that should basically be it. I don't know what I'm doing. So that piece goes up in there like that. Not bad. This goes on to number 2. Numero dos, cuatro. Number 3. Number 3. Number 1. Alright. So, M4 header kit. Pretty self-explanatory. Got your mid pipe. You got all 4 of your header pipes. These 4 connect directly to this, and then these tubes go into here, and then they get clipped on real nice. And then this is supposed to be for your sensor, I'm assuming, but I'm plugging it because I'm removing the sensor. This whole thing is going to pop out the old system. Boom, slap those up, temp them up, get them hooked up to that, get this mounted to where this was, and then the slip-on. Boom, goes right onto that. So each header has 2 bolts. We will oh yeah, look at that. Okay, these come off real easy. So very nice. And then I'm gonna and then I'm keeping all the bolts lined up exactly how they came out. Yep. beautiful. They literally just pop right in and pop right out. I don't know if you're actually going to be able to see it or not, but see that little, there's a little brass ring in there. You want to make sure that that stays in. Might be the black piece too. I'm not really sure, but you want to make sure the brass piece and that black piece stays in. Those come out, that's not good. I should just basically come down just like that. There we go. Old header is removed. There we go, guys, that's done. We're ready to run it just like that. I heard this is the best way to do it. I'm told freehand it. No more exhaust system. Just kidding. We got to get the old system back in. Or I mean the new one. That's it though. This thing weighs a fucking ton. Jesus Christ. This cat is fucking so heavy. Heavy. There it goes. Get that up a bit. Loose. Okay. Okay. As far as I can tell, it's all on there. It looks good. Yep. There we go. Nice. There's one. Oh yeah. Dose. Oh, come on. All right. Thank God. All right, that one's on. There it goes. All right. Come on. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. All right. There it goes. I'm gonna set to this. It says 18 to 20, so 18 to 25, I should say. I'm gonna be doing all the way on the outside to the inside. Let's see how that goes. There we go. I'm very new to this. This is my first time ever doing headers. If you guys want someone who's probably a little bit more professional than me, I recommend it. I just like to record myself doing this shit because it's fun. So if I do something wrong, please say so in the comments and let me know, because I am not perfect, and I'll say it straight up again. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following off the instructions, looking up some random YouTube videos, and doing my best to try and get it right. So, none of us are freaking perfect, man. Especially me, dude. Oh, yeah. And I think I read the instructions correctly. So, if I didn't, go ahead and say so. But this ain't gonna get started until I get the ECU out and get it tuned anyway, so. Oh shit. There we go. Just go until that thing stops spinning. That's gonna be my rule of thumb for that. There it goes. All right. We're in fucking business, baby. She ain't moving. All right, I'm not touching it after that. Okay. Boom. Doesn't touch. Doesn't touch. Locks off my foot nice. All right. Headers in, torqued. Yeah, I mean, they look good as far as I can tell. These are all in. Looks good. Straps are up. This bolt is in, tighten down, retighten down these. Put this guy on there, this guy's on there. I need to tighten this piece up a little bit, but that's that. Took about an hour and a half for me. All right, got the Z900 with only the slip-on. Just stock with the slip-on.